and in today's video I'll be showing you how to enable and disable Bitmoji or Mojitok on your Samsung Galaxy S23. So first, swipe down and select the settings icon in the top right corner. Once you're in the settings page, scroll through and look for the option General Management. Once there, select Samsung Keyboard Settings. In your Samsung Keyboard settings, scroll down and select Third-Party Content to Use. Tap on that. Now you can choose to use both Bitmoji and Mojitok or just one of them. So for this, I'll use Bitmoji. So when you go to write something down, simply go to this three dots here on top of your keyboard, and you should see options, an option called AR emoji. Tap on that. Once there, you can choose whatever emoji you would like to add. You can add such an emoji, you can add that. It depends on what you want. If you would like to disable it, simply go back and tap on the Bitmoji toggle switch to disable it. Thank you for watching. If you have any queries and comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.